Okay, so that's with the right elbow in. Go ahead and tuck that right hand in too. I know it feels weird, but I'm going to tell you, when you see it on camera, it's going to look different. Much better. So that's a good stroke, isn't it? Those are cuts, because the cuts are too small. Yeah, I know. That's the one. You won't ever have that because the cuts are too high on the golf course. Not bad. That's alright. I would still look like the right hand was a little too on top. I want it under. I know it feels crazy weird. Like instead of like this, I want it. Yeah, it feels stronger. Does that make sense? The same thing, like if you were going to draw it, what would you do with your right hand? Under, right? Yeah. So on top, you go out to in. They're kind of the same concept. That's okay. It's going to take you a little bit to get the feel. How's that feel? Yeah? Okay, a little more in. Right elbow in. Okay, now left shoulder forward. Yeah, that helped, didn't it? And it's just your backswing really, really small. You know? Stroke. That feel more in? Okay, good. Good. That's okay. That's okay. And, yeah, that's true. Another thing it's set up, looking at here, okay? I want your handle slightly left. Perfect. Did that feel weird? What I just did? Okay, so basically, what I did there is like if your handle's slightly forward, you could take it more in. Does that make sense? Okay, handle more forward. So handle way forward. Is that way forward? Did it? Okay, I just want you to see it. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty. It feels weird. Yeah. Does that look weird? Okay. Yeah. Handle forward. And I'm just going to let you see what it looks like from the outside. Good stroke. Alright, let me do 3 more back here. Usually don't do 3 to 4 minutes. I'll get it all knocked out and then do it. Alright, so handle forward. For square forearms. Longer stroke in, slightly in. And all of that should help. Not bad. A little short on the backswing. It still looks like you're a little right side dominant. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay. Better. Good. Good. That handle forward on that last one? Yeah. Okay. All right, little out.